teacher Mary Kay Letourneau was nabbed in a torrid affair with a 12-year-old student.
Actor Hugh Grant, arrested in Los Angeles.
Televangelist Jim Baker was convicted on all fraud and conspiracy counts.
Pop star Michael Jackson admitted she
Actor Russell Crowe arrested for throwing
Spears' ongoing scandal over her children, drug use, and other tabloid matters is raising questions about
Mel
her state of
Gibson's
mind.
arrest for driving under the influence was followed by an abusive verbal
Don Imus
outburst.
has made fun of Irish, Jews, Italians, and other ethnicities.
Governor Elliot Spitzer of New York
Children's
apologized to
TV
his
host
family
Pee Wee
and the
Herman,
public after
charged
being
with
linked to a
indecent
prostitution
exposure.
ring.
Televangelist Jim Baker was convicted
All
of
the
all
drugs
fraud
in
and
Hunter's
conspiracy
body, which were
counts.
discovered in nearby prescription bottles, were legally obtained from two physicians.
It's really bizarre to me when someone does something so stupid. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it.
25 years ago, I woke up on a cold marble floor, and I had passed out after a night, I should say another night, of drugs. But something had shifted, and I knew that if I didn't make a dramatic change in my life, that I was going to die. And I called my mother, and I said, I need to go back into treatment. And I had already been in treatment 3 or 4 times. All these other times, I left. On day 10, I started to feel great. I'm drug-free. I'm not like any of these people. I'm out of here. And I would pack up my little bag, put my little arrogant suit on, and march myself out of treatment, and I was free. I was going to make it to the other side. By day 6 or 7, I'd be on the phone looking for my drugs and end up right back in rehab. So instead of running away this time, I went into the bathroom and I got down on my hands and knees and I started begging, please, relieve me of this pain. Grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change. I cannot change my desire to leave. And in that moment, on that floor, something happened to me. Something that was like magic. It was mind-blowing to me because all of a sudden, after a few minutes, I knew I could stay one more day. How could I go from terrified and my mind going a million miles a minute to this place of complete peace? I walked out of there on day 28 knowing that there was something that I had to find out about.
The shadow is dark, it's secretive, it can be dangerous.
Shadow is everything that we don't want other people to see.
Things we hide, things that we lie about, not only to others, but to ourselves.
And they are the sort of monsters that come out of the caves